Given the importance of the data stored on this sophisticated device, conducting a OnePlus backup to a PC is crucial. To address this need, we've curated 5 excellent solutions to back up OnePlus phone to PC. Keep watching for everything you need to know. Way 1. How to get OnePlus backup to PC by drag and drop. Connect OnePlus to PC via USB-C. Switch to file transfer mode. Access phone storage in File Explorer. Select all or specific files. Right-click. Choose Copy or press Ctrl+C. Paste into a PC folder. Way 2. How to back up OnePlus phone to PC via Android backup and restore in bulk. The files stored on your OnePlus phone may consist of videos, songs, photos, and more. To ensure their security, be sure to have a reliable and safe backup and restore tool, such as the Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. How to back up OnePlus to PC via Android backup and restore. Step 1. Initiate this smart software. Step 2. Establish a connection for OnePlus detection. Step 3. Back up your OnePlus device to your computer. When the backup is created, you can easily perform a OnePlus backup restore whenever you want. Quick look. After the software identifies your OnePlus phone, click Restore on the main screen. Check the previously created backup content and select your desired file type as. Then, click Restore. Way 3. How to back up OnePlus to PC with Assistant for Android Selectively. Mobikin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac offers one-click backup and restore for Android device data alongside comprehensive mobile phone data management. Step 1. Launch the program. Connect OnePlus via USB. Follow on-screen prompts. Step 2. Browse data types. Select Initiate phone scan. Step 3. Review contents. Choose specific items. Tap Export to save on PC. Alternatively, Mobikin Assistant for Android offers a one-click backup option. Access the Super Toolkit from the top menu. Select Backup. Navigate to the next page. Choose the data types for backup and press Backup to. Copy the selected data type to your computer. Way 4. How do I back up my OnePlus to my computer via Clone Phone? Open Clone Phone. Go to Backup and Restore. Tap New Backup to start. Select data types. Tap Backup now. After completion, tap OK to finish. Way 5. How to back up OnePlus to computer with Google Drive. Unlock OnePlus. Download Google Drive from Play Store. Install. Log in. Select Files. Tap Plus. Choose Upload. Select File type. Access Drive on PC. Sign in. Locate files. Right-click. Choose Download for computer access.